Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on Deanery Road and we're looking at a massive development that's going on. The name is Vineyards at Deanery, and there is the construction site. It's residential apartments, but it's more than one tower. So just giving you guys an update. Somebody had asked us to make this video. This is just one of the towers. This is another one. It's a nice view of the entire construction site. Remember guys, any videos you want us to make, just leave a comment in the section below and we will definitely make it. The major construction sites, we do the videos every 2 weeks, give you an update. You definitely have to love the progress that's going on in Jamaica. Now somebody had left a comment asking who is buying all these apartments, and I don't know, but almost every road in Jamaica has some sort of construction. There are so many residential apartment buildings going up. If there's any real estate person or anybody that knows like the cost of this apartment, how much an apartment here costs, let us know. Leave a message in the comment section and we'll include it in a future video. Not only this apartment, but any video that you see us put up, if you have information on it, you can leave it in the comment section, and if you know how much they're selling them for or renting them for, let us know. We'll use the information in future videos. It seems as if this is going to be the height of the building because I don't see any steel coming out of the top. So this might be as high as the building is going to go.